Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix mouse not showing in Roblox. So first and foremost, you have to go to your search menu and then look for device manager. Click open, and then here what you're going to do next is you have to locate or find mice and other pointing devices. Double tap, locate your mouse right here, right click, and then you should see this update driver right here. You have to click this and make sure that you're using the latest version or the updated version of your mouse. Now, if this method didn't work, you need to remove or disconnect your mouse and then connect it again. If this method again didn't work, then the very last thing you should do here is go to run. Tap this one. And then here you have to type person symbol, local app data person symbol. Now tap on OK or open. You should see the Roblox right here. So you have to search for Roblox. You have to right click and then remove this one or uninstall Roblox. Go back to browser again and then install this one and see if this method works. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.